So I tried this AI tool that basically studies any video for you, so you don't have to. It breaks down any long YouTube video, podcast, lecture, or tutorial into notes, flashcards, and quizzes. I'm using this Harvard course, the CS550 AI course, because yeah, it's a lot. The video is about 11 hours long. Yeah, the video is 11 hours long, and it's so packed with content, it would be probably very hard to follow along. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Turbo AI to convert this course into like a bite-sized amount of like content that someone can realistically digest. So I'm gonna start by getting the link for the YouTube course. I'm going to paste the link into Turbo AI, and I'm gonna click Generate Notes. And boom, just like that, our notes are ready to go. Starts with a brief overview, key points, some core concepts. It even structures some hard to understand information into these nice tables. Like, I'm actually skimming this, but it's making sense. I can see how I can read this and fully understand what's going on, or at least begin to understand. Like, I wish this existed when I was pretending to take notes in class. You can also have the option of taking a quiz on the content you've just created. So there's auto-generated quizzes. You can just quiz yourself. And lastly, you also have the option of studying with flashcards. How awesome is this? It automatically creates